In this video, I am quickly going to go through how to exclude all of the spam referral filter nonsense and the event referral filter nonsense using a hostname include filter. There are tutorials on the web already for this. I didn't see any videos, so I thought I would contribute with this video here. The reason the hostname referral filter works is, as an example, let me spread this out. These are my referrals from my website. All I really have is my analytics code on it. I'm going to add a secondary dimension and hostname. And you'll see here that the most legitimate hostname is mine because it's the website that they go to, the actual domain name. This one's probably legitimate too, even though that sexyali.com is a little bit questionable, but people will visit your website from cached sources. So you might see a translate there, you might see webarchive.org, you might see some other like Google cache. So some of those are okay. Not set's going to be removed with this erot. All of these are not set, so a bunch of spam referral. In fact, let me expand this out even further so you can see, again, my name's the most legitimate, and I'll probably keep these translate.google here. But all of this nonsense, look at that, it's just freaking spam. And don't go to those websites because that's the whole reason they do this, is to get you to the other websites. They're very malicious and everything else on their websites. I'm also going to show you real quick that they do manipulate your events. So they fire events and that gets logged to your Google Analytics account. So it just pollutes your account. You don't want it. To get rid of this, first hop over to admin. You want to create a new view. You always want a view that doesn't have any filters because you can't go back in time and retrieve that data. So create a new view if you don't already have a view created that has your filters and an unfiltered view. Within that view, which this is mine, go into your filters, create a new filter. I'm just going to name this spam referral filter, if I knew how to type, and go ahead and be descriptive. Hostname includes. Now you could do an exclude, but then you would have to, it'd be like whack-a-mole. You'd have to find all these bogus sites and set them as, add them to your filter. And you can only have 250 characters, so you really want to do the include. Filter type, it's default to predefined. Hop over to custom. Make sure you click on the little box next to include, or just check that, and then select field hostname. Now I'm first going to start with Referrals.com and show you what this will do. If you verify this filter, you'll see what would be excluded with this filter, and you're going to see all that bogus nonsense. And also this one that I probably do want to keep, the translate.google. So to add filtered patterns, you're going to put a pipe symbol, and the pipe symbol is just above enter. It's actually going to be your backslash. So you're going to hold shift and hit that backslash with the button just above enter. You got your pipe symbol, and then I'm just going to add Google dot, oh no, that's at translate.google. Again, there might be some cache sites, or you might have subdomains that you want to include. Typically that'll be caught within, in fact that will be caught within your primary domain filter. Don't worry about subdomains, but if you have partner sites or something, or if your analytics code is found on another website, a domain, you want to make sure you add that. So just make sure you verify your filter, which I'm going to verify again to make sure that google.translate was removed. And sure enough, this is all the nonsense I want gone, especially this not set here. I just want that nonsense gone. It looks good. I got my name, hostname include. I got two domains here with the pipe symbol separating them. Make sure you don't put a pipe symbol after your last criteria or domain here, because then it's going to match everything. It's just regular expression. And I'm going to save this. Again, all those are logged, so all those nonsense events, all that nonsense traffic is in my account permanently, but moving forward it is gone. I hope this is helpful to you, and let's rid the web of this pollution. Thanks for checking it out.